Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW guys, and if you have a BMW, pretty much any BMW 3, 5 series, 1 series guys, 2, X3, X5, and you need to remove guys or replace windshield wiper arm, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that today. We'll explain how to do it without any tools, but you can use special tools and we're going to cover that today as well. Now, quick introduction guys to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically on that BMW here we'll have more than 400 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing these free videos to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. This is the windshield wiper arm, okay, and we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace them now. You have 2 of them, we already removed one and we'll show you on the second one, but it's the same procedure for both of them. Let me explain quick now guys. You have one here, the one that we already removed is right there. Now, this is the wiper arm guys. It's very important to mark where your windshield wiper is, so later when you install it, you can install it in the same position. Otherwise, if you do not align it correctly, the 2 wipers may hit each other or it may not function correctly. You will have one seal that covers that nut there, so go ahead and remove that seal guys. That's step number 1. After that, most of the times you have a 16mm nut, okay, that you will need to remove, going counterclockwise. Okay, we're about to remove the nut now. Perfect. Now, right here guys, they sell a special tool. That special tool grabs the wiper and it's kind of like a puller and it pulls it out. There is a way to do it without the tool. And if you want to see the tool, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get it from if you feel more confident. But other than that, okay, what do you do? Okay, you grab the wiper, lift it up a little bit and you need to wiggle it up and down a little bit and it's going to come loose. Okay, and the wiper came out guys. Sometimes it will be more stuck than other times. In our case, it came out pretty easy. Now, if you guys want to see anything else, let us know, especially if you have the 6-cylinder, straight 6-cylinder engine guys, N52, 53, 54 engines guys, or the M54 will be having guys probably more than 200-300 videos on the engines, taking everything apart. So if you have anything specific that you need to see guys, specific problem with your vehicle, drop a comment below. That's how we get ideas for our videos, and we'll try our best guys to make a video for that specific problem so we can help you and we can help people in the future as well guys. So we pretty much learn from one another. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.